Just going for a short ride today. I've got my hands on an Akaso Brave 8 and I thought I'd take it out and give it a try out, see if it's any good for my needs on my motorbike. I'm also trying out the microphone on the Hero 10 Media mod. The last time I tried it, kept getting lots of pops and cracks and things like that. The Akaso Brave 8, I'm recording in 4K 25 frames per second, and I've got the Akaso microphone plugged in, and that's inside my helmet. I've done a couple of videos of the Brave 8 whilst I was out walking, and I'll add them to the end. I've also taken some photographs. Now I'm not one for going into all the specs of these cameras. All I'm interested in is if it's any good for my needs, especially for the motor vlogging, and if it's something that I'd probably use. It's not a bad day for mid-November. It has been forecast showers, but at least the sun's shining. It is a tad cold. I had a bit of a saga with me Hero 10. Want to send it back twice, so the camera that I'm using now is the third camera that they've sent me. I had a problem with the media mod on the camera, so they've replaced both. So how's the audio sounding on the Akaso Brave 8? I won't know until I get home and get it onto the computer. So this is the audio test with the external microphone plugged in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really windy. Let's get that fastened down. Ooh, strong side wind. So how does the audio sound when I'm going 60 miles an hour? Let's try and beat this rain. Oh, mud on the road, don't you just love it? Hello folks, I've got my hands on an Akaso Brave 8, so I thought I'd take it out for a spin on my bike to see if it's any good for moto vlogging and see how it goes. I've got it attached to the front of my helmet with the Akaso microphone attached. I'm currently running it at 4K 25 frames per second on super view, or super wide I think as the Akaso call it. So how does it sound with my visor up? Now I've got my visor down. Can you tell any difference? Well, that light's bringing us close to that wooden stuff. No. a bit steep. I'll just get it on normal stabilisation. And how's the audio? Is it all in sync? I've got to watch where I'm going, so I'm going downhill. It's a bit slippery. So we're now coming back down to the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. Got the dogs with us. Absolute pain. So that's a Brave 8. Not a bad little camera. I will be using it on my bike for future videos, along with the other cameras that I have. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.